Namo Namaha. Welcome back students to yet another literature session of Sanskrit. In today's session, we are going to continue with the chapter Aryabhataha. We are going to see the remaining part of the lesson. So let's get started. Here is the Gadyamshaha. I'll read it out. सूर्यं परितः भ्रमन्त्याः पृथिव्याः चन्द्रस्य परिक्रमापथेन संयोगात् ग्रहणं भवति. यदा पृथिव्याः छायापातेन चन्द्रस्य प्रकाशः अवरुध्यते तदा चन्द्रग्रहणं भवति. तथैव पृथ्वी सूर्ययोः मध्ये समागतस्य चन्द्रस्य छायापातेन सूर्यग्रहणं दृश्यते. I hope that you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. In this Gadyamshaha, there are two examples of sandhihi, and they are Sanyogad Grahanam and Tathaiva. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Sanyogad Grahanam, the dissolution is Sanyogat with Halantata plus Grahanam. And Tathaiva, the dissolution is Tatha plus Eva. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Suryam paritah bhramantyaha prithivyaha chandrasya parikrama pathena sanyogad grahanam bhavati. Suryam paritah. Paritah means around the sun. Bhramantyaha prithivyaha. Prithivyaha of the earth. Bhramantyaha, which is moving or revolving. Chandrasya parikrama pathena. Parikrama pathena means the orbital plane or orbital path of Chandrasya, of the moon. Sanyogat, when it comes into contact. Grahanam bhavati, eclipse occurs. The meaning of the sentence is, eclipse occurs when the earth moving or revolving around the sun comes into contact with the orbital plane or orbital path of the moon. यदा पृथिव्याः छायापातेन चन्द्रस्य प्रकाशः अवरुध्यते तदा चन्द्रग्रहणं भवति. यदा, when, पृथिव्याः छायापातेन, by the shadow cast by the earth, चन्द्रस्य प्रकाशः अवरुध्यते, the light of the moon, अवरुध्यते, is obstructed. तदा, then, चन्द्रग्रहणं भवति, lunar eclipse occurs. The translation of the sentence is, when the light of the moon is obstructed by the shadow cast by the earth, then lunar eclipse occurs. Tathaiva पृथ्वी सूर्ययोः मध्ये समागतस्य चन्द्रस्य छायापातेन सूर्यग्रहणं दृश्यते. तथैव, similarly, पृथ्वी सूर्ययोः मध्ये, between the earth and the sun, समागतस्य चन्द्रस्य, समागतस्य, that which comes, चन्द्रस्य छायापातेन, by the shadow of the moon or by the shadow cast by the moon, Suryagrahanam drishyate, solar eclipse is seen. Similarly, solar eclipse is seen due to the shadow cast by the moon which comes between the earth and the sun. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Brahmantyaha is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Prithivyaha, and Samagatasya is the Visheshanam of the word Chandrasya. Now Let me take you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Sarvatah, the Paryaya Padam is Paritah. Dharayaha, the Paryaya Padam is Prithivyaha. Indoho, the Paryaya Padam is Chandrasya. Here are the Viloma Padani. Viyogat, the Viloma Padam is Sanyogat. Andhakarah, the Viloma Padam is Prakashah. Apagatasya, the Viloma Padam is Samagatasya. Students, one important rule of Upapad Vibhaktihi is used in this Gadyamshaha, and it is Paritaha yoge dvitiya vibhaktihi bhavati. Paritaha is an indeclinable, it means around, and it governs dvitiya vibhaktihi. That's why the word Suryam is used in dvitiya vibhaktihi. Students, I assume that you have understood this Gadyamshaha. Now let me take you to the next and the last Gadyamshaha of the lesson. Atrasti agrimaha Gadyamshaha. Aham Gadyamsham patami. Samaje नूतनानां विचाराणां स्वीकरणे प्रायः सामान्यजनाः काठिन्यम् अनुभवन्ति. भारतीय ज्योतिषशास्त्रे तथैव आर्यभटस्यापि विरोधः अभवत्. तस्य सिद्धान्ताः उपेक्षिताः. स पण्डितं मन्यानाम् उपहासपात्रं जातः. पुनरपि तस्य दृष्टिः कालातिगामिनी दृष्टा. आधुनिकैः वैज्ञानिकैः तस्मिन् तस्य च सिद्धान्ते समादरः प्रकटितः. अस्मादेव कारणात् अस्माकं प्रथमोपग्रहस्य नाम आर्यभट इति कृतम्. वस्तुतः भारतीयायाः गणितपरम्परायाः अथ च विज्ञानपरम्परायाः असौ एकः शिखरपुरुषः आसीत्. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah from the given Gadyamshaha. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are Kathinyam anubhavanti, tathaiva, Aryabhatasyapi, sa panditam manyanam, punarapi, asmadeva, कारणात् अस्माकं प्रथमोपग्रहस्य and आर्यभट इति. काठिन्यम् अनुभवन्ति is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is काठिन्यम् plus अनुभवन्ति. तथैव is the example of sandhihi and the dissolution is tatha plus eva. Aryabhatasyapi, the sandhi vichhedah is Aryabhatasya plus api. Sa panditam manyanam, the sandhi vichhedah is Sah plus panditam manyanam. Punarapi, the dissolution is Punah plus api. Asmadeva, the sandhi vichhedah is asmat plus eva. Karanat asmakam, the dissolution is karanat with halantata plus asmakam. Prathamopagrahasya, the dissolution is prathama plus upagrahasya. And Aryabhata iti, the sandhi vichhedah is Aryabhatah plus iti. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Gadyamshaha. Samaje नूतनानां विचाराणां स्वीकरणे प्रायः सामान्यजनाः काठिन्यम् अनुभवन्ति समाजे in society नूतनानां विचाराणाम् of new ideas or new thoughts स्वीकरणे in accepting प्रायः is an indeclinable and it means generally सामान्य जनाः ordinary people काठिन्यम् अनुभवन्ति experience difficulty generally ordinary people experience difficulty in accepting new thoughts or new ideas भारतीय ज्योतिष शास्त्रे तथैव आर्यभटस्यापि विरोधः अभवत् भारतीय ज्योतिष शास्त्रे in Indian astrology तथैव similarly आर्यभटस्यापि विरोधः अभवत् Aryabhat was also opposed. Similarly, Aryabhat was also opposed in Indian astrology. Tasya siddhantaha upekshitaha. Siddhantaha, theories. Upekshitaha were neglected. His theories were neglected. Saha पंडितं मन्यानाम् उपहासपात्रं जातः पंडितं मन्यानां means those who consider themselves great scholars उपहासपात्रं जातः उपहासपात्रं means butt of ridicule जातः became he became butt of ridicule it means he was mocked or he was ridiculed by Panditam Manyanam. The meaning of the sentence is, he became butt of ridicule of those who considered themselves great scholars. It means he was ridiculed by the people who considered themselves great scholars. Punarapi tasya drishtihi kalatigamini drishta. Punarapi yet. Tasya drishtihi. Drushtihi means vision. Kalatigamini, way ahead of his time. Drushta was seen. Yet it was seen that his vision was way ahead of his time. आधुनिकैः वैज्ञानिकैः तस्मिन् तस्य च सिद्धान्ते समादरः प्रकटितः. आधुनिकैः वैज्ञानिकैः by modern scientists. Tasmin. The literal meaning of the word is in him. Tasya cha siddhante and his theory. Samadaraha prakatitaha. Samadaraha respect. Prakatitaha expressed. Modern scientists expressed respect towards him and his theory. अस्मादेव कारणात् अस्माकं प्रथमोपग्रहस्य नाम आर्यभट इति कृतम्. अस्मादेव कारणात् for this reason अस्माकं प्रथम उपग्रहस्य our first satellite आर्यभट इति नामकृतं. नामकृतं नाम was named as Aryabhat. For this reason our first satellite was named as Aryabhat. वस्तुतः भारतीयायाः गणितपरम्परायाः अथ च विज्ञानपरम्परायाः असौ एकः शिखरपुरुषः आसीत्. वस्तुतः in fact भारतीयायाः गणितपरम्परायाः Indian tradition of mathematics अथ च and विज्ञानपरम्परायाः tradition of science असौ ही एकः शिखरपुरुषः आसीत्. शिखरपुरुषः means supreme or great person. The meaning of the sentence is, in fact, he was a supreme person or a great person of Indian tradition of mathematics and science. I hope that you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Gadyamshah. The word Nutananam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Vicharanam. Kalatigamini is the Visheshanam of the word Drushtihi. Adhunikaihi is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Vaidhyanikaihi. Bharatiyayaha is the Visheshanam of the words Ganita Paramparayaha and Vidhyana Paramparayaha. And the word Ekaha is the Visheshanam of the word Shikhara Purushaha. Now, let me take you to the Paryaya Padani and Viloma Padani based on the given Gadyamshaha. Here are the Paryaya Padani. Naveenanam, the Paryaya Padam is Nutananam. Avamataha, the Paryaya Padam is Upekshitaha. Arvachinaihi, the Paryaya Padam is Adhunikaihi. Sammanaha, the Paryaya Padam is Samadaraha. And Abhidhanam, the Paryaya Padam is Nama. Here are the Viloma Padani. Puratananam, the Viloma Padam is Nutananam. Samarthanam, the Viloma Padam is Virodhaha. Prachinaihi, the Viloma Padam is Adhunikaihi. And Anadaraha, athva Tiraskaraha, the Viloma Padam is Samadaraha. I hope you have understood it. That brings us to the end of the presentation. We will discuss the exercise in the next session. Dhanyavadaha. Punah milamaha.